Jave Beats exclusive.
Welcome back to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare a lovely peanut porridge. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for that lovely peanut porridge will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go over and check it out. Stay tuned. Now guys, here's what you need to make that lovely peanut porridge. I'm using 2 cups of oats. I got my cinnamon leaves. I got my okra, what I'm also going to use. I got 1 tin of coconut milk, 1 tin of condensed milk, half teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of peanuts, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and also 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now guys, I'm going to start out by cutting up my okra, add it into my blender with my peanut and my oats. This guys, you want to cut them up small, so it's easier for the blender to blend them up. This guys. Meanwhile, cutting up your okras, you can add your pot on the fire with your water in it, what you're gonna boil your porridge in. I add 6 cups of water to my pot, and you can boil it for about 10 minutes before you start to apply your stuffings, your stuff that you blend up, your peanut and your okra inside of it. This guys, just boil it for about 10 minutes. Make sure that water is boiled up. And then we're going to add our peanut and oats and our okra that we are blending up. Yes guys. Now guys, I'm finished cutting up my okra. Now I'm just going to add my oats and my peanut inside, and also my coconut milk to blend it up. I'm just adding about half can of that coconut milk. I'm going to add my peanut. My oats guys, yes, just I'm gonna add my coconut milk now. Adding half can of my coconut milk. Just add that guys. Guys, you're gonna blend your peanut and your oats and your okra for about a good 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure it's properly blended. Yes guys, make sure you blend up all of that okra and peanut, especially the peanut guys. Make sure you blend it well. Make sure it's properly blended. Here you have it guys. Finish blending up all my okra, peanut and oats, just like that guys. That's how you want it to look. No lump or anything into it, no, all the nuts are blended out. Guys, if you find that your blender is not blending it, if it's too thick for your blender, when you add the oats and your okra and your peanut in it, and you add that half can of coconut milk, and it's too thick for the blender to blend it, all you do, you can add at least two cups of cow's milk into it, so it's easier for the blender to blend it. Yes guys, that's what I have to do to my one, so that the blender to blend it easier guys. Just add 2 cups of cow's milk with your oats and your peanut and your okra, and also that half can of coconut milk that you pour in there guys. Now I'm going to pour this into my water that I've boiled up. It's boiling now on the fire. I'm just going to throw this inside it. My water is boiled. I'm going to add the next half of my coconut milk into my water, my boiling water. Just like that guys. I'm going to use a whisk. Just give it a stir guys. Just like that. Not too long. Now I'm going to add my peanut and my okra and my oats that I blend into it. Just like that, guys. There you have it. You don't want to whisk this, guys. You want to whisk it around. Just like that, guys. Also, you're going to add your cinnamon leaf. Just add your cinnamon leaf to it. This guy, just like that. You're going to leave those leaves in it to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just leave the porridge boil for 8 to 10 minutes, guys. Here you have it, guys. After the 10 minutes, let it boil and also stirring it between that 10 minutes, guys. Stirring it around. This is how you want your peanut porridge to look, guys. Looking lovely. It's smelling so delicious already, guys. And I'm not going to put in the spices as it, but I'm going to add my spices now. I'm going to add my nutmeg inside of it. Also my mixed spice. Also my cinnamon. And also my salt. Yes, guys. Add my salt. I'm just going to give that a stir now, guys. Just mix up all of those spices into it. Remember, guys, if you find it's too watery, all you got to do is add some corn flour to it. Just mix up some corn flour with some water and just throw inside of your porridge, guys. Give it back that thickness if it's too watery, guys. You see that you add too much milk into it. Yes, guys. It's smelling so amazing, guys. With all those spices going into it. It's smelling lovely. Guys, you're gonna mix these around. Just keep mixing them. I'm going to add my vanilla inside. Yes, guys. Just mix that around. Yes, guys, just like that. Now I'm going to add my condensed milk. You guys, if you want to use condensed milk or you want to use brown sugar, it's up to you. Also sweeten it to your likes, how sweet you want your porridge. I'm just using half of this condensed milk, and then I'm gonna give it a taste and see how sweet it is. I'm just gonna mix this around now, guys. It's getting there. It's thick and lovely. It's smelling so nice. I'm just gonna give this a taste. Take some more condensed milk. Guys, I use all the condensed milk inside of it. There you have it, guys. Let's give this a mix and then I'm going to cover it up back to boil. Boil up all of those spices that I just put into it. Now, guys, checking back on my peanut porridge after that 5 minutes, and I leave all my spices to boil inside of it, inside of my peanut porridge. There you have it, guys. This is ready to turn off now. Looking so rich and lovely, and that, guys, looking so amazing and smelling so nice, guys. Yes, guys, don't forget to make it Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell, guys. I'm going to turn this off now. Thanks for watching.